It's actually a 93. It needs to be rescued badly. Somebody rescue it. Looks like it's got a replacement fender here, and it needs a bumper, and the headlamps are inside the car. See the intercoolers down there, it's disconnected. So the owner just want the wheels back. I guess I don't see any dry crack. And I guess this thing is got, look at that, it's flaking up. See? Bad. Powder coating or whatever it is flaking off. So that looks bad. And it's been parking since 2010. That's like 16 years ago. It does have a nice muffler on it. It was running, okay, on a dyno, then it crapped out. There's the some of the parts I put inside the car now. Let's walk around the side. So the car is solid, as you can see. This panel looks a little bit new. What I have in here, the pop-up headlamps, it was removed into the turbocharger there. So some of the parts are here. We need some genius to put it together. It's got a nice stance, nice vintage look. This thing still looks like brand new. You see that? August 1992. That's the VIN ID and everything. Well, that's an overall view, folks. Somebody come rescue it quickly. Let's look at the front seat. Carpet. So the interior is nice. Steering wheel here, this part looks bad, but the dash looks good. Sure that's some add-on stuff or not, with the liner. See what the rear seat look like. Looks brand new to me. Oh, I do see a little tear here. Wow, it's just from mishandle it. How many miles did this guy? Yeah, it doesn't matter because this car, did I give you an idea of the inside of the front seats? Very good. The liners, it just need to be cleaned a little bit. It's got some smudges, but overall, it's extremely nice inside. I'm gonna unlatch the hood. Good thing is the piston's still holding up the hood. Okay. Back it down. Okay, I'm making this video to observe what we have. This engine was running on a dyno with the modification of two twin turbocharger. It was normally aspirated engine before. So the engine was, I guess it's kind of, something went wrong on the dyno, maybe the crankshaft. So the engine was fully taken apart, cleaned, paid somebody $500. So what we see here is the cams, the cylinder head. Okay, there's a V6, so there's 3 of them there. Supposedly everything was there, so the engine was completely taken apart. The rest of the stuff from the manifold, the belt. There's a turbocharger there. It's supposed to be a twin turbo. Okay. So all the parts are supposed to be there. Okay, all the pistons there, and the see, it says multi. So this was converted, so everything that goes as far as twin turbo, it's got the correct parts for it. Okay, so here's some more parts for the 3000 GT. The rods, the hoses, this pumpkin here. There's some knick-knack parts in here. These are all the valves, intake, exhaust, and the springs. Okay, so that's, this tub has the manifolds, okay, give you an idea. That looked like the transmission pan or oil pan. Okay. And finally, what's down here? Okay, that's the engine block. There you go. Now it's going to take some pictures instead. Well, folks, what's in the future for this car? What is its fate? Does anybody want to rescue it? Yeah, it was running, but unfortunately, look at that state right now. Whether it should go into a junkyard and get destroyed completely, or somebody want to take over and revive it. It's got a great stance and a classic 3000 GT look. So thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe and leave some comments. Thanks.